When it comes to dropshipping, website design is one of the most important factors to consider. But between SaleHoo and Wix, which one really offers the best design options for creating a dropshipping store? Well, in this video, we're going to compare them both and see which one can truly help you build a stunning and functional dropshipping website. First, let's talk about SaleHoo. This platform is often praised for its supplier directory, but when it comes to website design, things start to get a little more complicated. SaleHoo isn't really a website builder, it's primarily a directory and tool to help you find suppliers for your products. You can integrate it with external platforms like Shopify, but on its own, SaleHoo doesn't offer much in terms of design flexibility. So, while it's great for sourcing products, you'll need a separate website builder to create a professional store. Now, let's talk about Wix. Wix, on the other hand, is a full website builder with a focus on ease of use. For dropshipping, Wix does offer a number of templates that are specifically designed for online stores. These templates are fully customizable, which means you can adjust the look and feel of your store without needing to code. It's easy to get started, and if you're a beginner, this is a huge advantage. But, and here's where things get tricky, Wix's design options can feel a little limiting if you're aiming for something truly unique or complex. There are some features you may feel are missing when you start pushing the boundaries of what the platform can do. Next, let's look at the customization options. With Wix, you have drag and drop functionality, meaning you can move elements around your page until it looks just right. However, the more advanced customizations can be a bit tricky. The platform is meant for simplicity, so if you're someone who needs deep customization or has specific design goals, you might hit some roadblocks. For basic dropshipping needs, Wix works well. But if you want to scale your store or make a website that truly stands out, you may find the platform holding you back. On the other hand, SaleHoo gives you access to third-party platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce to build your website. This means you're relying on the design tools and options provided by those platforms. Shopify is incredibly popular among dropshippers because of its powerful e-commerce tools and design flexibility. But the downside is, you'll need to pay for an additional plan with Shopify or another platform if you want a fully functioning store. You won't get that all-in-one experience that Wix offers. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. If you're new to dropshipping, Wix is definitely easier to use right out of the box. You don't need to be a web designer or have much technical experience to create a solid store. However, once you start scaling up, you might feel restricted by the limitations of Wix's design options. If you want something a bit more professional or unique, you'll probably need to rely on third-party integrations or add-ons. SaleHoo, in comparison, is not a website builder at all, which means you'll need a bit more technical know-how to set up your store. But once you have that set up with platforms like Shopify, you'll have far more control over customization and functionality. The last thing to consider is cost. Wix offers a free plan with limitations, but if you want to unlock all the e-commerce features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. SaleHoo doesn't offer a website builder at all, but their supplier directory has a yearly fee, and you'll still need a platform like Shopify, which comes with its own costs. Now, both of these options are solid, but they're far from perfect. After trying both SaleHoo and Wix, I have to say, if you're serious about building a dropshipping business with top-tier design flexibility, there's a better alternative out there. The software mentioned in this video is good for beginners, but if you're looking to truly level up your store, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for a free trial that will give you the best of both worlds. A great website builder with full e-commerce features and better design options for dropshipping. Through this link, you'll get an exclusive deal only available to our viewers. Take advantage of the free trial and see the difference for yourself.